Welcome to our channel, where we explore the profound teachings of the Bible and delve into its timeless wisdom. In today's video, we will embark on a spiritual journey as we study one of the most beloved passages from the book of Psalms, Psalm 23, "The Lord is my shepherd." Psalm 23, a profoundly cherished and widely recognized passage within the sacred scriptures, serves as a constant reminder of the boundless guidance, unfathomable provision, and unparalleled solace bestowed upon us by the Almighty. It intricately weaves together the delicate threads of God's divine care and our complete reliance on Him. Referred to as the Shepherd's Psalm, this magnificent composition stands as a testament to the profound connection between the Creator and His beloved children. In this captivating exploration, we shall embark on a journey through the profound teachings encompassed within Psalm 23, unraveling their practical applications in our day-to-day lives. The psalm commences with an authoritative proclamation, "The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing." With these resolute words, the foundation of trust and unyielding dependency on God is firmly established. The metaphor of a shepherd and his flock skillfully illuminates the intimate bond shared between the divine shepherd and his devoted followers. Just as a shepherd diligently provides and safeguards his flock, God, in His infinite love, tenderly guides and watches over His people. Continuing on, the psalmist articulates, "He makes me lie down in green pastures, He leads me beside quiet waters." Through vivid imagery, a serene tableau of tranquility and respite emerges. It serves as a gentle reminder that God yearns to lead us to a place of profound peace and rejuvenation. Amidst the whirlwind pace and chaotic nature of our lives, we discover solace in the knowledge that God graciously invites us to partake in restorative stillness, both physically and spiritually. Furthermore, the psalmist aptly acknowledges, "He refreshes my soul." It is within these sacred verses that we come to comprehend the boundless extent of God's provision, surpassing mere physical sustenance and extending to the nourishment and revival of our innermost being. The divine presence and unwavering guidance breathe life into our souls, instilling a profound sense of fulfillment and profound contentment. By prioritizing our relationship with Him, our spirits are renewed, and our lives are irrevocably enriched. As we venture deeper into the Psalm's profound depths, we encounter the resolute verse, "Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for You are with me." Within these words, we are gently reminded that life, with all its trials and tribulations, does not exempt us from experiencing the shadows of adversity. Yet, we find solace in the unshakable assurance of God's eternal presence, even amidst the bleakest of moments. It imparts invaluable lessons of courage and strength, empowering us to find solace in the knowledge that the Almighty walks beside us, shielding us from harm and offering His unwavering support. The psalmist further proclaims, "Your rod and Your staff, they comfort me." Drawing upon the customs of biblical times, where shepherds employed their rods and staff to guide and protect their flocks, we unravel the profound symbolism contained within these words. In a parallel manner, God employs His divine guidance and loving discipline to steer us along the righteous path, correcting our course when we stray. His correction, born out of boundless love, bears testimony to His desire to safeguard our well-being and nurture our growth. In comprehending this truth, we discover solace and comfort in His divine guidance, even when it necessitates traversing treacherous terrains and making arduous choices. Ultimately, the psalm culminates with a resplendent affirmation, "Surely Your goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever." These words encapsulate the overarching message of Psalm 23, an unwavering testament to the steadfast faithfulness of God. They serve as a poignant reminder that His boundless goodness and unwavering love eternally accompany us throughout our earthly sojourn. Furthermore, it beckons us toward the hope of an eternal dwelling in His divine presence, where unbridled joy and absolute fulfillment shall be our eternal companions. In the tapestry of our day-to-day lives, the teachings of Psalm 23 serve as a compass, providing practical guidance and actionable applications. They implore us to cultivate an unwavering sense of trust in God, acknowledging His unwavering provision and steadfast guidance in every facet of our existence. Through seeking moments of solitude, tethering our souls to the divine through prayer and meditation, we discover a haven of rest and renewal. In moments of adversity and trials, we draw immeasurable strength from the unwavering assurance of His abiding presence, knowing that He shall never forsake us nor abandon us. Moreover, the teachings of Psalm 23 serve as a gentle reminder of the intrinsic significance of humility and surrender. Just as sheep depend unreservedly upon their shepherd, we, too, are called to relinquish our self-centered desires, embracing God's divine leadership and entrusting our lives to His sovereign will. This path of surrender, though often challenging and unfamiliar, propels us toward a profound alignment with His divine purpose. In conclusion, Psalm 23 stands as an eternal testament to the indelible impact it leaves upon the human soul. It extends a tender invitation, urging us to embrace the role of sheep, humbly acknowledging our profound need for a loving and compassionate shepherd. Through its timeless teachings, we glean profound wisdom, placing our unwavering trust in God's divine guidance, discovering solace in His abiding presence, and immersing ourselves in the abundant life that He graciously bestows. Let us, therefore, embark upon a relentless pursuit of embracing the transformative power enshrined within this sacred psalm, allowing its resplendent truths to metamorphose our lives, drawing us ever closer to the embrace of our Heavenly Father. Thank you for joining us on this profound exploration of Psalm 23, "The Lord is my shepherd." May this timeless passage continue to inspire and guide you on your spiritual journey. If you found this video meaningful, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful Bible teachings. And don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Stay connected with us as we continue to dive into the rich teachings of the Bible, seeking wisdom and understanding for our lives. Thank you for watching, and may the Lord be your shepherd, guiding you always.